Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayenshola Ogundele. In this presentation, I'll be going over applications and use cases of very low Earth orbit, a self-cleaning orbit for commercial imaging, communications, and 6G integration. Very low Earth orbit, a self-cleaning orbit at altitudes below 450 kilometers, is evolving into a sustainable high-performance domain for commercial imaging, communications, and 6G integration based on advanced Hall-effect thrusters, which counteract atmospheric drag, and air-breathing propulsion engines that can use the rarefied atmospheric gas as propellant. Based on numerous advantages, very low Earth orbit offer it has potential for various applications and use cases such as high-resolution Earth observation, low-power communications, precision signal intelligence, scientific research, and a host of others. In traditional low Earth orbit, achieving sub-meter resolution requires large, heavy, and expensive optical telescopes. Because resolution is a function of distance, a satellite at 250 km can achieve the same image clarity as a satellite at 500 km using a telescope half the size. The focus points are as follows: ultra-high resolution Earth observation, next-gen defense and national security, direct-to-device connectivity, and space sustainability and debris mitigation. Ultra-high resolution Earth observation, very low Earth orbit Earth observation, typically defined as altitudes below 450 kilometers, enables ultra-high resolution imagery with smaller, cheaper sensors compared to traditional low Earth orbit satellites. It offers superior signal-to-noise ratio. Operating at 200 to 300 kilometers allows smaller sensors to capture ultra-high resolution imagery, ideal for defense reconnaissance. Illustration of a very low Earth orbit is shown in this picture. Application and use cases of ultra-high resolution Earth observation are ultra-high resolution imaging, defense and intelligence, and disaster management. An illustration of space application idea in very low Earth orbit is shown in this picture. Other applications are enhanced sensor performance, improved safety and debris management, and increased payload capacity. Different types of satellite orbits is shown in this picture. Scientific and environmental research and reduced payload cost are other advantages and applications. Artist concept of Phase Alien Space SchemSat, a satellite designed to operate in very low Earth orbit, is shown in this picture. Next-gen defense and national security. Applications include tactical ISR, which enables finer ground sampling, using model aperture, missile defense, critical for detecting and destroying hypersonic and cruiser missiles. Illustration of satellite communication system is shown in this picture. Other applications of next-gen defense and national security are signals intelligence, resilience communications, multi-domain operations. North Space very low Earth orbit satellite is shown in this picture. Strategic advantage for national security are state and survivability, debris mitigation, and sustainability. DARPA air-breathing very low Earth orbit satellite is shown in this picture. It is cost-efficient and responds very well. Illustration of satellite orbit is shown in this picture. Direct-to-device connectivity is another important application of very low Earth orbit. It eliminates dead zones for consumer smartphone. The biggest hurdle for device-to-device is the link budget. Standard phones have small antenna and limited power. Because very low Earth orbit satellites are roughly twice as close to Earth, a standard LEO satellite signal path loss is significantly reduced. Illustration of satellite connectivity is shown in this picture. Emergency response and search and rescue. In the sense that ground-based towers are often the first things to fail, very low Earth orbit constellations can act as towers in the sky that don't require specialized satellite phones. Difference between terrestrial cellular coverage and LEO satellite coverage is shown in this picture. Very low Earth orbit satellite is very useful for massive Internet of Things, for low power sensors that need to transmit small bursts of data. LEO satellite architecture is shown in this picture. Critical infrastructure monitoring. Industries such as oil, gas, and logistics require constant connectivity for safety and efficiency. Real-time monitoring of pipeline or remote rail lines are also applications in the area of direct-to-device connectivity. LEO constellation. Mega constellation is shown in this picture. Urban gap filling. Urban canyons can block cellular design. Very low Earth orbit satellites move quickly and sit at lower altitude, offer different look angles which can sometimes provide a backup signal. LEO satellite interconnectivity is shown in this picture. Space sustainability and debris mitigation. Very low Earth orbit offers unique advantages for space sustainability, primarily due to its self-cleaning nature and ability to operate missions with higher efficiency and lower debris risk. Illustration of space debris is shown in this picture. Use cases in space sustainability are self-cleaning orbits for large constellations, active debris removal. Blue Origin Triwave LEO constellation is shown in this picture. Other uses are maneuver without regret, green mission lifetime. Active debris removal is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to a presentation on applications and use cases of very low Earth orbit, a self-cleaning orbit for commercial, imaging, communications and 6G integration by Dr. Ionosphere with the focus point ultra-high resolution Earth observation, next-gen defense and national security, direct-to-device connectivity, and space sustainability and debris mitigation. Thank you.